Ayoko na. Kahit lusong pa to, I have to go down on my bike. This is budol. This is such a big ass budol. Ala, dito ba dumaan sina yan noon? Nung sinabi ko may shortcut dito. It is a fucked up road. Jesus Christ. What have I done to those two guys? I'm sorry guys. I just knew it was a shortcut. Like there was a road, but I didn't know that it was this shitty road. Sorry. Negative ata yung bangkero ka. If walang bangkero, maglalakad ako pabalik. Oh man. Wala na. Katapusan na ng semento. Tapos puro putik sa baba. Agpatinggan pa panan na ato yan. According to my Garmin, I should have turned to the right para mapunta dun sa mga bangkero. Mukhang sinundan ko pa rin yung semento. Hayaan ko yun. Dayuin. Okay, this is budol myself na. Hindi maganda pala ang daanan. Perfect for MTV. Basa pa. Maputik. This is such a big regret. Pero I can hear the river. I can hear Abaya River. Almost there. Sisi ako dito. Bakit ganito ang daanan? Mapakani. Wala na. Tulak na tayo. Makapunta sa gilid eh. Very useful yung ating. Baliw ka talaga, Homer. Yan, napapala mo. Explore pa more. Oh no. This sucks. Rainy season, this sucks. Dirty ass gravel bike now. Oh shit. I'm not gonna fit in here riding. Have to duck down. Oh. Shit. Ayoko na. Kahit lusong pa to, I have to go down on my bike. This is budol. This is such a big ass budol. Ala, dito ba dumaan sina yan noon? Nung sinabi ko may shortcut dito. It is a fucked up road. Jesus Christ. What have I done to those two guys? I'm sorry guys. I just knew it was a shortcut. Like there was a road, but I didn't know that it was this shitty road. Sorry. Yan and Eldridge. Next time, bumawi ka sa akin. Man, pero mountain bike sila. I think technical yung daanan. They can do it. Training. Man, this is so crazy. Kahit pag gravel bike to, talagang lakad, alay lakad tayo dito. Pagpaahon. Hopefully magpapatag nyan sa baba. There's a road there. Wala na siguro mga ganitong bato. Oh man, how did they make this road na ganito passable? May dumadaan ba dito? God, negative ata yung bangkero ka. If walang bangkero, maglalakad ako pabalik. Oh man, god damn it, I am so done. I am so dead. Tingnan mo, this is not a simple road. This is a crazy uphill gravel walkathon. I'll never do this again. I mean, like going back? No. I'll wait for the bangkero over here. Yung may bangka. Oh, crazy. Let's go back. Let's go descend this. Maayos na sa babae. Ayos na siya. Yes! Maayos-ayos na ang daanan. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Naku, puno na ng putik ang shoes natin. Baka ayaw pang pumasok ng shoes. Pasok. Pasok. Ayaw pumasok. Yun, pasok. Yes, salamat. Yan pang meters. 700 meters. Go straight. Awanan, ano, go straight manan. Oh, it is. Diyan na nga. It is there. Nasa harap na siya. Yes, the river crossing is there. It's up front. It's up front. Diyan yung river crossing sa harap natin. God damn it. Oh, maishoot ka sa tubig. No, this is not the road. There's a passable road there, Homer. Fuck. Iyak ako nito. Buti umaga pa. Oh man. Riding on the river. Oh shit. So I'm going down, right? Punong-puno na ng dumi itong bike ko. Because the river is down here. Kaya ba? Ay, what the hell? This is it. This is the river crossing. But there's no banquero. There is no banquero. Oh no. Oh no. You see, I can swim. I can do this, like going there to there. But then I have a bicycle to carry. What will I do with this? It should float, right? But I have shoes, I have phones, I have lights. Man, waiting for the guy. Someone saw me, said, "Can you help me? Help me, please." Someone should come out of there, right? Someone should come. So there is this man. Hopefully he knows how to paddle the boat. Agbayad ako, oray sa gasot. Yeah, help me. Help me, uncle. Oh, he is coming. I hope he's coming. I'll pay him. How much? 100? 50? He'll tell the answer, right? There you go. We have 100, 200, and 150 over here. There you go. He's coming. He's coming for us. It's actually just shallow. Mababa lang. It is just a shallow water. Look at that. Look at that, shallow. Even half of his body is not even submerged. I could have walked it. Well, I don't know, right? Hindi pa pala siya malalim. Oh, look at that. Very shallow. I can walk it? He's walking of it. Whoa, it's shallow. My God, that's nice. Yeah, oh, he's gone. Yeah. Atatakkan mo. Adatakkan mo. Iyan gid. Iyan, isa. Atangkid. Makin barangay dita. Wam. Wa dito lay. Iyan, isa. Atatakkan. Yeah. So yeah, basically I have reached the river crossing, and I waited for about maybe 5 minutes or 10 minutes, and then this man came to the rescue. There you go. Wait, why is he's removing his dress? Well, all right, maybe this is his boat. Wait, why you here, doggy? Where did you come from, doggy? Oh, this is his boat. Oh, hopefully that's his boat. Thank you. Yeah. Hindi pa pala siya malalim. Oh, look at that. Very shallow. I can walk it? He's walking of it. Whoa, it's shallow. My God, that's nice. Oh, here we go. Really starting sa harap niya ng konti. Then, when nakita nga ro kaya eksakto lang met gayam. Now, the suffering is not yet done because there's more riding to do. 31k to go home. Ito pala yung dinaanan nila noon. Budol pa rin. Tulak na tayo dito. Tulak na tayo. There's a pig. Ay, pigi. Budol talaga. Lalo pag tag-ulan. Ang hirap pala. Malaking sorry ko dun sa dalawang yun. Binudol ko pala talaga sila. Oh man. Okay, pero summer noon. I think they walked it or may nagbangkero or ano. God. This is insane. River crossing. Yes. Alpas pengin. Okay na. Piyata ng ibata. Yan. Adun. Pwede parang lakarin kung summer yan. Nasa tuhod lang siguro daw. Okay. Let's go home.